Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study music theory, easy method. Begin by learning notes, intervals, and basic scales, then practice simple ear training exercises immediately. Keep sessions short and focused, using hands-on examples on your instrument to connect theory with sound. Review commonly used chord progressions and sing intervals allowed to build memory. Repeat daily for steady improvement and track progress in a practice journal. Start with the major scale pattern and then learn natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor to see their relationships clearly. Build triads on each scale degree to understand function and voice leading, and analyze simple songs to spot progressions like I Roman 4V. Use flashcards for intervals and scale patterns, and apply theory on your instrument to reinforce concepts through sound and movement during practice sessions. Create a structured practice routine with warm-ups, targeted drills, and application time to connect theory with playing. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on interval singing, 10 minutes on scale or arpeggio patterns, and 10 minutes transcribing or harmonizing short melodies. Vary tempo and key to build flexibility, and periodically review older material with spaced repetition to ensure long-term retention and confidence when reading, listening, or composing music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.